Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Android version and recent app installs. Start now. Check notification settings and turn off Do Not Disturb so you'll see if vibrations correspond to alerts. Next, inspect the phone's case and charging port for debris that can trigger sensors. A dirty port or misaligned case often creates phantom feedback. Once done, reboot the phone to clear temporary glitches and note whether vibrations stop. This gives a quick baseline before deeper fixes. You now narrow the cause by booting into safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can see if a downloaded app causes random vibrations. While in normal mode, review each app's notification and vibration permission. Turn off vibration for suspect apps. Next, run the phone's hardware diagnostics or a vibration test app to determine if the motor or firmware behaves inconsistently. If the motor fails tests, you'll know it's hardware versus software. Otherwise, continue with targeted resets. You finish by clearing the system cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. If that fails, backup data and perform a factory reset to eliminate lingering software issues. After reset, update the OS and firmware, then reinstall apps selectively to avoid reintroducing the problem. Make sure to test between installs. If vibrations continue despite clean software and failed hardware tests, seek a repair technician to inspect or replace the vibration motor. This is often the final resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.